The new Yamaha quad was ready for the first test ride 4 weeks before the trip. I did the test ride from Manresa to Saldes and back. That's about 230 kilometers, all sand tracks. There I was able to test the vehicle, and I could see that it responded very well. There were some details that were missing to make it perfect, but we did them later on during the final preparation of the quad. One of the disadvantages of the test ride was that it was not possible to test it in real conditions of preparation and with all the luggage loaded. However, we were able to drive and test the quad before the trip. In addition to filming the vehicle during the trip, I was able to test the drone and 360 camera, and both tests were successful. It turned out that they were two very good options for traveling, that they were lightweight, easy to use, and produced more than acceptable results. The test ride, which was intense, was also a check on the progress of some minor discomfort in my left shoulder. Later, at the end of the ride, the discomfort increased and I went to the hospital to have it checked out. When I went to the hospital, they told me that I had tendinitis in my left shoulder. Then I started an emergency express recovery treatment, 15 sessions of tendinitis recovery. During the recovery, they also told me that I had capsulitis. Fortunately, the recovery was also successful. The last 3 weeks before the trip, I went to recovery sessions every day. Even the last day before the trip was recovery. And this is the unexpected setback at the last moment, which fortunately could be solved very well. The last week before the trip, which I wanted to dedicate 100% to preparing the last details of the trip, the route and the equipment, was a week of unexpected work from the company. So I had some work to do and I was not able to dedicate the time I needed. But the first day of the route, I will have to spend many hours on the boat from Barcelona to Civitavecchia. So I left calmly, because I had many hours ahead of me to fix it.